Yeah. Hello, my dear friends. This is Oleg. Today we make our forecast for cryptocurrency and forex pairs. Please, my friends who listen and see me, put pluses in our chat, and we'll begin. First of all, okay, return in our chart in 1 minute. First of all, let's see our economic calendar to define what interesting news are going for today. Today, Thursday, 23rd of July. We'll see initial jobless claims, worse than prediction, and previous numbers are worse. Not worse, they reduced by specialists, recounted in a worse way. Okay, for today the calendar is not very big for news. As for news, maybe this one in New Zealand, trade balance, but without any prediction. So this week is quite modest for big news. Maybe tomorrow we'll see some interesting ideas. Yeah. There are several news with high sign of volatility. This is retail sales in Great Britain. Prediction is worse than previous numbers, so it's a bearish factor for Great Pound. In Eurozone, especially in German, we are waiting for manufacturing PMI. Prediction is better than previous number, so it's a bullish factor for euro dollar. After it, composite PMI in Great Britain, there is no prediction, there is no forecast, but we can see a diagram of previous numbers, previous statistic data. Yeah, like this. August to July. Yeah. We'll see the growing numbers of PMI. Statistic was recovered after coronavirus. After bad influence of coronavirus, we'll see recovering of this PMI data. So we can predict numbers something between these 35 and 50. If the numbers is better, something like 50 or 55 is a bullish factor for United Kingdom pound. Let's move on. We'll see at 10 a.m. American hours new home sales. The forecast is good for dollar. You'll see an increase of these numbers, so it's a bullish factor. And after it, CFTC data about positions of money markers, and it is interesting to count them on one day to know what the positions of traders and hedgers. Okay, that's enough for economic calendar. Let's move on to our terminal. First of all, I watch Bitcoin. Now I'm launch terminal.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. This is graph of Bitcoin. We'll see a strong move up tendency. We have bullish channel, and now price is accelerated quite strongly. Formate new channel, and also break down this resistance line. So for today we'll have some strong level. This is a pivot level, and price 9,438. This is also historical level. I mark it in our previous forecast. One moment, I'll show you. Yeah, this one. Some middle level. So what's for today? If you buy Bitcoin, I'll recommend you to hold your position, but you can move your stop loss to the previous low, something like this, or just for under this level, under 93.43. As for today, it is necessary to wait for some correction where it will end. Let's check. A good factor also that price break down these heights and try to hold on the stage. Yes. We can You can manage some position according to this level. Our target will be resistance number 1 and resistance number 2 at these prices. But I recommend you to wait for some correction, for some one moment, for some correction. Good merge of level and trend line at this zone, and if we'll see that the correction trend line is over, something like this, and reversal pattern, zigzag or 1 to 3 pattern, it's a good trigger for buy positions. So this is two zones where we can arrange our buy trades after correction is over. The lowest level for correction, the lowest one, is this one. One moment. So here we'll see a trend line. This is the most important line, not this one, because this is a middle line, and this is the trend line. So this is the lowest level for correction. If they break down this trend line, buy positions is not interesting for us. The bullish tendency is over after break down this trend line. Okay. I make screenshot of my forecast and upload it in our group in Vkontakte social media. After our webinar, I share the link, and my friends, you are welcome. Let's check our forecast. Here we are. No. Okay, Bitcoin is over for forecasting. Let's move on. Let's check American index DXY. I launch another terminal. One moment, my friends.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. While this terminal is launching, my friend, I want to say you big thanks for your watching me and for your thumbs up. If you are first time in our webinar, I'd like to see you in our subscribers. Please, you can do it under the video to subscribe and put the bell notifications. Yeah, friend, one moment. I make no lose option for British pound, and let's check it. DXY. Okay, here we are. Today we'll see a correction of American index up to this trend line and pivot level. Yeah, this is a failure to break down this level, failed attempt, and pull back under this level. So now we are waiting for reaction of the price. Yeah, let's change our ratio. Okay, well, that's enough. So now I'd like to see a confirmation of this bearish pattern, breaking down this level, pull back and rebound. I marked some important level. This is level from a higher time frame. If I don't mistake, from 4 hour or 3 hour time frame. And this is a strong historical level. Maybe from this level we can see reaction, some good rebound of the price, or if we can overhand it, open a good sell positions up to this support number 2, support number 3, support number 3 at a price 94.06. For buy positions, it is necessary to formate the bullish channel and break down these heights and move on to this trend line. This is something like this. But without it, the main trend is bearish. One. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, come on. Yes. Okay, let's continue. The third our currency, our active is euro dollar. Yeah, okay. Here we have volume data, so let's check our levels. The most important level is a balance line. This is Okay. Yeah, okay, that's enough. 1.1570. It's a balance line and several levels from above the price or resistance levels and below the price support levels. As for resistance targets, yeah, okay. The closest target for buy positions 50.84, and the further one is 1.6035. Okay, as for support lines, we'll have also two levels, this one and this one. I use so-called ODR indicator to define these levels. ODR it means option daily range. This is a range for daily movement. Okay, let's check our tendency. The tendency is still bullish. We'll see some correction for today. I'll try to catch this correction when some 1 to 3 pattern was formed in this level, and close my position at balance line and using trailing stop. So what for now? It's quite interesting formation. I'll try to show you. My notebook is quite performed by some applications, and slow down a little bit. We have a resistance line, so if we break down this resistance, it opens us buy positions up to this level. Okay. For sell positions, it is necessary to wait the reaction of the price to this resistance line, 1 to 3 pattern below a balance line, retest, and sell positions till 1.15. Yeah. So the question is, could this resistance line to prevent price for growing, or it could rebound the price below new lows. Yeah, this is a screenshot for euro dollar. Oh, let's check our chart. Thank you, my friend Vyacheslav. It's written he put like and go home after work. Yeah, good journey to home. Yeah, and we are going to check what's going on Great Pound. Great Pound. Today I also opened some positions because this trend line is transferred a little bit. For morning forecast, I put this trend line here. And wait for some reversal pattern. Why I do this? Because we have quite a good correction yesterday, this 1 year, and for today we will see the formation. We are waiting for formation. It could be something like this. If yeah, come on. One moment, my friends. Yeah, okay. This is I switch time frame to recalculate the data, because this vertical line is the point of count this data. And let's return to 1 hour time frame. Come on. Yeah, one moment. Yeah. And return to 1 hour time frame. Okay. I regarded the possibility of formation this bearish channel, but we'll see that this low is above the previous low, so I make a prediction that it's not a bearish channel, it's a triangle. It's a figure of triangle, something like this. So I close my sell positions. And now open the buy position. As for now, it is necessary to wait. Let the bound of a triangle is breaking down. The most important levels for British pound is 1.2736. It's a balance line, and some levels for buy and sell positions. Yeah, it's a closest level, and our further level. It's for buy positions, and for sell positions we can see the reaction of the price to this level, and this one. Yeah, as for merge levels, yeah, they are actual, so we can see the next movement. If they break down this triangle to the top, the first level and the second one, and if the bottom line is devastated by the price, we can arrange sell position up to 1.2630. So let's wait for a reaction of the price. Yeah. Our next active is Japanese yen. I delete some unnecessary levels. Okay. Yeah, these ones. And let's check our major levels. First of all, let's mark balance line. Not this time frame. 1 hour time frame. 107.23, and two levels above the price. Our resistance guardians 107.32 and 107.5. As for sell positions, we have also two levels below this one and this one. So let's wait for the reaction of the price. It is necessary to adopt this trend line. So it's quite something like triangle 2. Something like this. It's bottom line and top line. As for balance line, it is above the price, so its role is resistance. So I wait this reaction. And continue moving to this support line. Here we'll see also level at 106.75. And if this level is breaking down, the next target will be here. Here I recommended to you to fix some volume of your position and make no lose option. What if they see break down the top line, open us new heights up to this level? So let's waiting for the reaction of the price. The most important zone, this is a balance line and resistance line. Oh, sorry. One moment. And the final asset for us is the gold. Let's move on. Так. Oh, a strong movement of gold. The bullish initiative very strong. I also spoke about this increasing of gold in our previous lections. This reaction because of all central banks print money for national economies because the bad influence of coronavirus and other not very good news as for negotiations between Eurozone and British and Great Britain. There are several factors, but the most major factor is a central bank stimulations. Not only American, the Euro Bank, Great Pound, New Zealand, etc. Until the money are printed, we'll see the continuing of gold increasing. So what's for now? We'll see a good acceleration of the price. Our goals for today, I put it in our morning forecast, is had already reached. As for now, the next goal will be here, 1897. I don't see the balance line. One moment, my friend. is the balance line? It's hidden. Yeah, here we are at the same level of ODR. Here. As for the goals, I think we can mark this level at this level. One moment. We'll see quite good amount of option contracts and some increasing of these option contracts. So we try to pull down the price. First reaction, of course. Yeah, but it's a question how they succeeded. We'll have success. As for now, we can, of course, the gold is very strong, so it could reach it without any correction, but we as speculants, we have to wait for a correction, an interesting level for a correction. This one, it's a confirmation, merging of trend line and balance line. So if we'll see that correction trend is over and 1 to 3 pattern, mistake, this one, it reaches new heights above the price, something above than 1,900 and plus. If they break down this trend line, the next target for sell positions will be here. But until the tendency is not over, we are waiting for continuing growing. And fundamental factors speak also, tell us also that the gold is not still enough in its heights. It's not still enough for gold for growing. Yeah. So let's wait for correction, and at this level we will see the behavior of the price, and if some reversal pattern is formating, open buy positions up to these levels. Okay, that's enough. I upload all my screenshots, and as I promised, I share you the link to these screenshots, and I hope they help you to trade properly, to trade in a proper tendency. So my dear friends, thank you very much for your watching me, for your likes. Let's meet once again next week. I try to make my forecast 2 times a week. So subscribe to the channel, put to the bell notifications, and when you get your notifications, please return to our video analytics. I'm glad to see you here. Good luck, my friends. See you. Bye bye.